Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix automatic time zone is not working or updating on Android phone. If you're using any Android and your automatic time zone is not working, so let's see how can you fix that. First of all, you have to make sure that you are connected to internet via Wi-Fi or cellular data. Once you have that, just open your phone settings app and here just go for general management or system management in your phone. Just tap on it and here just go for date and time, and here you have to make sure that you have enabled the settings which is automatic time zone and automatic date and time. You can see there's incorrect time. We must have to enable that setting and it will automatically uh, correct your times or select your time your time zone. So that's how you can easily fix automatic time zone. It's not working on any Android phone. Thank you very much for watching the video, and the next video. Bye bye.